Hey there, future solar gurus! Ever get stuck with a dead phone battery and no charger in sight? It's the worst, right? Well, say goodbye to those low battery blues because we're about to embark on an awesome DIY adventure. We're going to turn trash into treasure by building our very own solar phone charger using everyday items found around your house. This project is perfect for eco-conscious techies, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone who loves a good challenge. It's easier than you think, totally customizable, and best of all, it's powered by the free, unlimited energy of the sun. Get ready to impress your friends, reduce your carbon footprint, and never be caught with a dead phone again. Let's get started. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's gather our materials and dive right in. Before we begin our solar-powered journey, let's gather our trusty band of recycled materials. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy gadgets or expensive equipment. We're all about keeping it simple and sustainable. Here's what you'll need. A small cardboard box. A shoebox or a cereal box will do the trick. This will be the base of our solar charger. Aluminum foil. Remember those leftovers from last night's dinner? Time to put them to good use. Tape, duct tape, masking tape, or even scotch tape. Whatever you have on hand will work. A plastic bottle or cling film. This will be our protective shield against the elements. A USB cable. The one you use to charge your phone is perfect. Black paint, optional. Black absorbs more sunlight, so this is a great way to boost your charger's efficiency. Got everything? Fantastic. Now let's move on to the exciting part, building our very own solar charger. Alright builders, it's time to put on our DIY hats and bring our solar charger to life. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. The foil foundation. Cut a piece of aluminum foil slightly smaller than the bottom of your cardboard box. Make sure it fits snugly inside. Crumple the foil into a loose ball, then flatten it back out. This creates ridges that will help capture more sunlight. Step 2. Securing the solar panel. Carefully place the flattened foil inside the box, shiny side up. Use tape to secure the edges of the foil to the bottom of the box. Make sure there are no gaps or holes. Step 3. The protective shield. Cut a piece of plastic from your bottle or cling film slightly larger than the opening of your box. This will act as a protective covering for your solar panel, keeping it safe from dust and moisture. Step 4. Sealing the deal. Secure the plastic covering to the top edges of the box using tape. Ensure it's airtight to prevent any water damage. You want your solar charger to be weather resistant, ready to soak up those rays come rain or shine. Step 5. Connecting to your phone. Carefully poke a small hole in the side of the box, near the bottom. Gently feed the USB end of your charging cable through the hole, leaving the other end outside the box. Step 6. Time to charge. Place your solar charger in a sunny spot, making sure the foil side faces the sun directly. Connect your phone to the USB cable and voila! Your phone will start charging, powered by the awesome energy of the sun. Section 4. Troubleshooting tips. Sunshine on a cloudy day. Having a bit of trouble getting your solar charger to work its magic? Don't worry, even the best DIY projects can have a few hiccups. Here are some handy troubleshooting tips. First, check your connections. Make sure your phone is properly connected to the USB cable and that the cable is securely plugged into the charger. Next, find the sun. Position your charger in a spot where it receives direct sunlight throughout the day. Avoid shady areas or obstructions, then give it time. Remember, solar charging takes longer than traditional charging. Be patient and let your phone soak up those sunbeams. Also, test your foil. If your charger isn't working, try using a multimeter to test the conductivity of your aluminum foil. You want to make sure it's conducting electricity properly. Still having trouble? Don't give up. Sometimes a bit of trial and error is all it takes to get your solar charger up and running. Section 5. Customization Corner. Making your charger uniquely yours. Now that you've built your very own solar charger, it's time to let your creativity shine. Here are a few ways to customize your charger and make it uniquely yours. Paint it black. As mentioned earlier, black absorbs more sunlight, so painting the inside of your box black can boost your charger's efficiency. Get creative with patterns and designs. Add a stand. Prop up your charger at an angle using a small block of wood or a sturdy object. This will help it capture more sunlight throughout the day. Decorate it. Let your personality shine through. Decorate your charger with paint, markers, stickers, or anything else that tickles your fancy. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Have fun with it and make your solar charger a reflection of your own unique style. Section 6. Conclusion. Join the DIY solar revolution. Congratulations, you've done it. You've successfully transformed everyday items into a fully functional solar phone charger. You're not just powering up your phone, you're powering up a greener, more sustainable future. Now it's time to spread the solar love. Share your creation with friends and family, teach them how to build their own, and let's start a DIY solar revolution. Remember, every small step counts towards a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow. Keep on innovating, keep on creating, and keep